The notion of traveling to rich cultural culinary destinations is not only near, it's now, here in Richmond, BC. Richmond is a place where you can discover the raw beauty of nature and memorable experiences in a stunning and safe setting. The Richmond tourism and hospitality community are working closely together. Our businesses are following the most recent directives from the Provincial Health Officer and WorkSafe BC. We are proud of how Richmond businesses have come together and adapted to help ensure our visitors feel welcome and have a safe experience.
Blue Island Winery is large enough that we could have lots of social distancing. When we're doing servings or tastings, we have the main bar, and we have a smaller table in front of that, which is over 2 meters away. I'll serve the glasses, and they will take the glasses to the other table so they can take off their masks and enjoy the wine. It's a much more personalized tour.
The community of Richmond is quite culturally diverse and well-traveled. We were early adopters of the safety protocols that were laid out. We were able to get a little bit of a head start in preparation to ensure that our businesses and attractions were ready to safely welcome visitors back. We have plenty of space inside the cannery with over 55,000 square feet, or as we like to say for Canadians, the size of 3 ice hockey rinks. I'm very lucky to both live and to work in Steveston. What I love doing in Richmond is exploring the wide outdoor spaces.
For Marriott Bonvoy members, they could use a Marriott Bonvoy app to use a mobile key function, so they could actually bypass the front desk, go straight to the elevator, tap their phone on the elevator, and then go right to their room and tap the door lock, and that will give them access to their room. Our hotel does offer work pass, and then it allows the guests to actually work in a nice workspace. They'll have a bed if they want to take a break, and then they'll get all the benefits of a regular hotel guest.
Staycation with your friends and family in the coastal city of Richmond.
Support local businesses and discover Richmond.
Go to visitrichmondbc.com to plan your trip.